4 newly elected MLAs in the just concluded by-polls to 4 assembly seats in Manipur took oaths as the member of Manipur Legislative Assembly today. Oinam Lukhoi of Wangoi constituency, Paunam Brojen of Wangjing Tentha constituency, Namthang Haukip of Saitu constituency, all BJP and Y Antaj Khan of Lilong constituency, independent were sworn in as MLA at Manipur Legislative Assembly complex in Imphal. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today said the BJP was able to sweep the just concluded by-polls in the state because the Saffron Party-led government in the state has been taking up a slew of welfare schemes for the masses by translating its promises into actions. Chief Minister during the press conference at the CM Bungalow in Imphal further promised that his government will work hard to eradicate poverty and assured of taking up more welfare programs for the people. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today launched oil pump mission via video conferencing under Agriculture Department Government of Manipur. During the launch program, Chief Minister explained about the benefits of the plum tree plantations in one place of the state. Members of Helping Hand Group, including Popular Queen of Universe 2020 winner Haripriya Tongbram and Quarantine Queen of Universe first runners-up 2020 title holder Asakiran Konsam visited KMMAC office at Singzamai Chingamakha today. The team during the visit donated rupees 10,000 to 5 women players of KMMAC. They also handed over dietary supplements to the players. Meghalaya Police has handed over arrested ULFA Deputy Commander-in-Chief Drishti Raskova to the Assam Police. According to the media reports, Drishti Raskova allies Manoj Rava was concerned in Balbokar village in South Garo Hills with Meghalaya Police and its SF-10 commandos yesterday. The global tally of coronavirus cases stands at 5.24 crore, while 3.66 crore individuals have recovered of the diseases and 12,88,776 have died so far. A media report said the US, the worst hit country, has 1.07 crore cases, with record-setting 1,36,325 new daily cases of the novel coronavirus, the latest data from the Johns Hopkins University revealed. The United States has reported more than 10.3 million cases of COVID-19 and more than 240,800 deaths caused by the disease, data showed in the past 24 hours. India has reported 48,285 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. The total case load now stands at 86,84,039. The country's death toll has mounted to 1,28,164. India, which was until last month the second most affected country by active cases, has now slipped to the 5th rank. Tension has resurfaced again along the dispute Assam-Nagaland border in Jorhat district after the evacuations of camp reportedly by Nagaland armed police inside Desoi village reserve forest. A media report said the forest fall under the Marini forest range of Jorhat district. The restorations work on Barak Bridge along Imphal-Jiribam Road on National Highway 37 is underway on war footing. Bharatiya Infra Project Limited (BIPL) under NHIDCL started the repair work on November 9th last. The repair work is targeted to complete by November 15. Former President of India Pratibha Dev Singh Patel lured Bir Tikendrajit University, a private university in Imphal, for fulfilling the aspirations of Northeast by providing more education opportunities. In a message, Pratibha expressed confidence that the university will build its reputation as an academic institution for excellence, which will produce leaders, thinkers, professionals, and most importantly, good citizens. The government is all set to announce a fresh round of stimulus package today, just a couple of days before Diwali, to push the economy out of the unprecedented slide due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The fresh economic package is expected to focus on urban and rural middle-income group, MSMEs, and sectors like aviation, hospitality, and service. A coalition of 18 pharma companies located in India, China, Bangladesh and South Africa that manufacture generic drugs have pledged to work together to accelerate access to millions of doses of new interventions for COVID-19 for low and middle income countries. As per the media reports, the companies has come together under the umbrella of the Non-Profit Medicines Patent Pool, MPP. The two front-runner coronavirus vaccines being developed by Pfizer Inc. and Russia have shown positive results and are said to be effective by over 90% against COVID-19. According to the reports, now Moderna is also getting closer to releasing data on its late-stage trials of the coronavirus vaccine candidates.